Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by saving a copy and turning on formatting marks so you can see breaks. Place your cursor at the end of the page where the new numbering should begin. Then insert a section break, next page from layout breaks. This isolates pagination. Once done, make sure your footer or header area is accessible by double-clicking it so you can change page numbers for that new section without affecting the previous pages. You now double-click the header or footer in the new section to edit it. Look for link to previous and turn it off so numbering can differ. This breaks the inheritance. Next, choose Insert Page Number and then Page Number Format. Set the numbering to start at the desired value or choose Continue from Previous if you want continuity. Once done, update or reposition the page number field and close the header/footer. You finish by updating all fields so numbers refresh. Press Ctrl plus then F9. Scan each section's header/footer to confirm link to previous is off where you want separate numbering. If a page still shows the wrong number, reopen that section, check that a section break, next page, actually separates it, and reset the page number format start value. A quick troubleshooting step. Delete the page number in a section and reinsert it if formatting seems stuck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.